Hi viewers, hi students, hi everyone. This is Surender. Welcome back to one more Vedic mathematics session. In the previous video, we have learned the complement of 9 and the complement of 10. So we know when we add two numbers, if the total is equal to 9, then those two numbers are called as complement of 9 with respect to each other. For example, complement of 0 is 9, complement of 1 is 8, complement of 2 is 7, complement of 3 is 6, complement of 4 is 5, complement of 5 is 4, complement of 6 is 3, complement of 7 is 2, and complement of 8 is 1, and complement of 9 is 0. So these are called complements of 9. In the same way, we have learned what is complement of 10. That is Purak of 10. We know when we add two numbers, if the total is equal to 10, then those two numbers are called complement of 10 with respect to each other. We know 1 is complement of 9, 2 is complement of 8, 3 is complement of 7, 4 is complement of 6, 5 is complement of 5, 6 is complement of 4, 7 is complement of 3, 8 is complement of 2, and 9 is complement of 1. So these numbers are called complements of 10. So we learned these complement of 9 and complement of 10 in the previous video. Now to proceed further, we need to understand two more important formulae, two more important sutras. The first one is EKADHIKENA PURVENA. It means one more than the previous one. And the second sutra is EKANYUNNYENA PURVENA. It means one less than the previous one. If we learn these two sutras and understand them thoroughly well, then we can do all the problems within seconds without using paper or pencil. So let us begin. So our first sutra today is EKADHIKENA PURVENA. It means one more than the previous one. So this sutra we utilize in changing a normal number into negative number. And in the same way, this EKANYUNNYENA PURVENA, this sutra we use in changing a negative number into normal number. So along with these two sutras, we will be using Nikhilam Sutra also. Nikhilam Sutra means the first sutra. Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. That means all from 9, last from 10. So first let us see how we can apply EKADHIKENA PURVENA. Now see, we know that 9 is a number, single digit number. So 9 is nothing but 10 minus 1. So this 10 minus 1 we write as 1 bar. 1 bar means that is a negative number here. So this 1 and 1 bar we are getting using this sutra EKADHIKENA PURVENA. Here our 9 is single digit. Before 9, what is the number? There is no number. So we have to assume there is 0 here. So 0. So 1 more than 0 is nothing but 1. And this 9 we have to subtract from 10 using the sutra Nikhilam Sutra. All the numbers from 9, last number from 10. So we subtract 9 from 10, we get 1. So this 1 we take as negative 1. So 9 is equal to 1 bar. 1 bar is negative number. So this is Rekhank. This is called as Rekhank. In the same way, if you take 8 is nothing but 10 minus 2, we know that. So this 8 we can write as 1 more than 0 is 1 and 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2 bar. In the same way, 7 we can write as 7 we know that 10 minus 3. So 1 more than 0 is 1 and 10 minus 7 is 3 bar. So this is how we change a normal number into negative number. Now let us see some more numbers. 99 for example. Now we know 99 is nothing but 100 minus 1. So What is the number here before 99? 0. So 1 more than 0 is 1. 99. Both these numbers we have to subtract from 9 and 10 using the sutra Nikilam and Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. That is all from 9, last from 10. So here we have two numbers here. So this 9 we subtract from 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. And this last 9 we subtract from 10. So we get 1 bar. In the same way, let us see one more. Let us take 198 for example. 198 we know that it is 200 minus 2. We know very easily it is 200 minus 2. Now to apply the sutra EKADHIKENA PURVENA, one more than the previous one. So we are subtracting 2 here. So this, leave this 98, take the last number here. What is the last number here? 1. So 1 more than 1 is nothing but 2. So we write 2 here, and these two numbers we use Nikilam Sutra to write the numbers here. So 9 minus 9, 0, and 10 minus 8, 2. So we get 2 bar here. So these two are negative numbers, we can say. Now let us take one more number. Let us take 287 for example. So we know that 287 is nothing but 300 minus 13. We know this. But we don't write these. Directly using the sutra we write the number properly. So 1 more than 2 is nothing but 3. And these two numbers we subtract from 9 and 10 respectively. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 bar. And 10 minus 7 is 3. So 3 bar. So these two are negative numbers, we can say. So 300 minus 13. So this is how we change a normal number into negative number. So why do we change a normal number into negative number? So the reason is, when we have these numbers, see here 287, 198, 99. So these numbers are very big numbers. To multiply the big numbers or to divide by the big numbers, it is a little bit hard. So when we change the numbers into negative numbers, the numbers becomes very small. So the division or multiplication or addition or subtraction, these aspects become very easy to do. And then we can get the answer very quickly. Now let us see the reverse process of this one. EKANYUNNYENA PURVENA. 1 less than the previous one. Now the same numbers we will take. So I will take 1 bar. Now EKANYUNNYENA PURVENA. Here negative number is 1. Before 1 we have 1 here. So 1 less than the previous one. 1 less than the previous one is whatever number is here, subtract 1 from that number. So here 1 minus 1 is 0. And you have only one number here. So if you have only one number, subtract it from 10. Nikilam Sutra. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 1 bar becomes 0, 9. In the same way, 1, 2 bar. Here previous number is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 2 is 8. In the same way, 3 bar. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. In the same way, let us take these numbers also. 2 bar 2. So here, 1 less than the previous number. 1 less than 2 is 1. That means simply subtract 1 from this number. Now here, apply Nikilam Sutra. All from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 0, 9. 10 minus 2, 8. That is 198. Now see the next number, 3, 1, 3. So 1 less than the previous one. EKANYUNNYENA PURVENA. 1 less than 3. That means 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 10 minus 3, 7. 287. So these are the two important formulae which we use in many calculations to do the problem very fast.